Hello, Nikhil, Harsha, Mahati, Anagha. How are you? Are you all right? What are you doing? ఏం చేస్తున్నారు? Have you got holidays? No, not it. From tomorrow onwards, we will have holidays. No? Okay. Now, what are you doing? ఏం చేస్తున్నారు? You are at home. Okay. You're eating breakfast. తింటున్నారు కదా? What's this month, Harsha? What's this month? Yes, January. Yes, you said well. Which festival we get in this January? Yes. Which festival comes? Tell me. Yes, it's Sankranti. Sankranti comes in this January. You're very correct. What is Sankranti? It's a festival. When do we celebrate Sankranti? In January, when farmers get the yield. పంట చేతికి వచ్చినప్పుడు కదా? Yes, when we get the yield, we celebrate Sankranti. How many days we celebrate it? ఎన్ని రోజులు చేసుకుంటాం? For 3 days. Okay. Bhogi, Sankranti, Kanama. Totally we say Sankranti. Yes, you're correct. So what's the title of our lesson, Harsha? Our festivals. It's about our festivals. Yes. Let's go for the next topic. Yes. Look at the picture, Harsha. Look at the picture. Yes. Name the things you see in the picture, Harsha. You see some people, you see some things, no? Name the things. Yes. There is mom. There are boys. There is a girl in the picture. Kada? Now, name the things you see in the picture. Nik even kanipistunnai. Name the things. Yes. We come from first. Yes. At the door. What are they? ఏమంటాం వాటిని? They are at the door. Door దగ్గర ఉన్నాయి కదా? Yes, we call them earthen lamps. They are earthen lamps. They are lighted. వెలిగించేశారు కదా? Next. Look at this boy. He is burning. He is setting fire to the flower pot. చిచ్చుబిడ్డి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాడు కదా? Yes, he is burning the flower pot. Yes. Look at the girl. What are there in her hands? ఏమున్నాయి మా అమ్మాయి చేతిలో? Yes, she has sparklers. What are they? They are sparkles. You're correct. What about this boy? ఈ పిల్లాడు ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు? Yes, he is burning cracker bombs. He is setting fire to the cracker bombs. They are in a garland. సరం అంటాం కదా దాన్ని టపాకాయలో. He is burning the cracker bombs. The garland of cracker bombs. Look at that boy. There is a bottle. He already set fire. Yes, it's a rocket. It's the bottle rocket. There is a whistling rocket. There is a bottle rocket. But this boy set fire to a bottle rocket. Kada dan pettisaడు. Yes, there is a, what about here? Is it a ground chakra? అదేమన్నా భూచక్రమా ఏమైనా? No. Okay. These are the things we see in the picture. So now tell me, what are the things you see in the picture? Earthen lamps, cracker bombs, flower pot. Flower pot means chichubadi. Firecracker rocket, sparklers in the hands of the girl ma. Yes, these are the things we see. Now, with these things, with the girls and boys and the mom, what can you guess? Get just now. What's the festival they are celebrating? Once guess and say. Em festival undotchu? What might be this festival? Em undotchu, Harsha? Yes, this is Deepavali. You're correct. You said well. Harsha, do you celebrate this festival? నువ్వు చేసుకుంటావా ఈ ఫెస్టివల్ ని? Yes, you do it. it to celebrate it. I to celebrate it. You celebrate it. She celebrates. He celebrates. Yes, we all celebrate this festival. We Indians celebrate this festival grandly. బాగా చేసుకుంటాం కదా. Yes. How do you celebrate it? ఎలా చేసుకుంటావమ్మా? What do you do on this festival day? ఏం చేస్తావు? Yes. What do you do? You take head bath కదా. You wear new dress. ఇంకేం చేస్తావు? You ate good food. You ate sweets, special dishes. You ate special dishes. అమ్మ వంటకాలు చేస్తుంది కదా బాగా. Yes, you ate special dishes made for the festival, and you burn crackers at night. In the evening and at night, you burn crackers. టపాకాయలు కూడా కాలుస్తాం. That's why you like this festival కదా. Yes, that's why we celebrate this festival. Name some more festivals, Harsha. Name some other festivals. Yes, Krishnastami, Vinayaka Chaviti, Sankranti, Dasara, Ekadasi. Yes, like it. There are many festivals. Yes, that's about our Deepavali. Let's go for the next topic. Look here. Look at the picture. There is grandma, there is grandpa, and father, mother, and a daughter. They're in the picture. No? They're celebrating Deepavali. Okay. Now, once we go through the lesson. Once we go through the lesson. Yes. Chandana's mother and father are decorating the house. Chandana came there. Chandana came there. Chandana. Amma, why are you decorating our home? Amma, today is festival day. Take bath and wear the new dress. Nana. Nana ఏమంటున్నాడు? Chandana, get ready soon. Chandana, where are we going, Nana? Nana, we are going to our grandparents' house. Chandana, oh, is it? I'm happy to go there. Yes, that's it. So, who is that girl, Amma? Harsha, who is that girl? What's her name? ఏంటి అమ్మాయి పేరు? Chandana. She's her grandma. She's her mom. No? What's her mom doing? అమ్మ ఏం చేస్తుంది? She's putting on flowers. కదా? పూలు పెట్టుకుంటుంది. Putting on flowers. Putting flowers on her hair. Looking into the mirror. అద్దంలో చూసుకుంటుంది కదా? Then, what's her father doing? నాన్న ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు? He is decorating the house. He is decorating the house. What about grandpa? What about grandpa? తాత ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు? He is garlanding the portrait of Lord Vinayaka. పూలండేస్తున్నాడు. He is garlanding the portrait of Lord Vinayaka. What about grandma? అమ్మమ్మ ఏం చేస్తుంది? నాన్నమ్మ ఏం చేస్తుంది? Yes, she is making a garland of flowers. కదా? పూలల్లుతుంది. She is making a garland of flowers. That's about it. Yes. So what's this today, Harsha? This is the festival day. What did Amma say to Chandana? Amma ఏం చెప్పింది చందనాకి? Take bath, wear new dress అని చెప్పింది కదా. నెక్స్ట్ వాళ్ళు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నారమ్మా? Where are they going? Yes, they're going to Chandana's grandparents' house. Ma. Next, what's the fourth question? What do you do on a festival day? ఏం చేస్తామమ్మా ఫెస్టివల్ డే రోజున? Yes, we take bath and wear the new dress. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు. What is Chandana's mother doing? అమ్మ ఏం చేస్తుంది? Yes, Chandana's mother is decorating the house. Why is she decorating? What's the second question? Why did her mother decorate the house? ఎందుకు చేస్తుంది? It was a festival day. అందుకే she was decorating the house. Third question. Where are they going? ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నారు? They are going to Chandana's grandparents' house. Okay, last question. What do you do on a festival day, Harsha? Em chestavu? Yes, take bath and wear the new dress. That's about the festival day. If mom cooks, అమ్మగన్న వండితే, we eat special dishes. Nana తీసుకొస్తే, we eat sweets. Yes, that's about the festival day. At night, we burn crackers. That's about Deepavali, our favorite festival, Deepavali. No? Yes. Let's go for the next picture. Look here. Here, weekdays are given. How many days are there in a week, Harsha? Innunnaima? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or more. Yes, there are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Okay. Can you name these days, Harsha? Chabutava. Okay. We start with Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Wednesday, D silent. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Last day is Sunday. Follow me once. Repeat after me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That's about the days of the week. So total how many days are there in a night? There are 7 days in a week. Follow me once. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yes, you're correct. You said well. Go for the next picture. Look at the picture. There are 4 pictures, ma. These pictures are showing some festivals, no? Which festival is which, ma? You see it. See. Firstly, Janmashtami? No. What's the first picture? The first picture shows Muslims festival, ma. Eid al-Fitr. Eid al-Fitr. Second picture is showing Vinayak Chavithi. Yes. In the third picture, Sankranti is shown here. In the fourth picture, Christmas is shown. Yes. Once more. First one, Eid al-Fitr. Second one, Vinayaka Chavithi. She is Lord Vinayaka. Sorry. He is Lord Vinayaka. There are children. There is Lord Vinayaka. There are laddus. No, kudumus. No, kudumu. This is Sankranti. This is Christmas. On Christmas Day, they worship Lord Christ. No? Yes. On Eid al-Fitr, Muslims do namaz. On Vinayaka Chavithi, we worship Lord Vinayaka. On Sankranti, that means on Pongal, we worship our deities. We go for the next picture. Yes. See, boys, girls are flying kites. No? They are stems of sugarcane. No? But there is a part, a decorated part. So, what is a festival? And Rangavalle. She is drawing Rangavalle. ముగ్గులు వేస్తున్నట్టున్నారు కదా వాళ్ళు. Yes. They are flying kites. There are stems of sugar cane. There are canes, ma. Which canes? Sugar canes. They are sugar canes, ma. Which canes? Sugar canes. Pot. Is it decorated, no? Yes. So, you see now, guess which festival is this? Yes, this is Sankranti. Yes, you said well. For Sankranti, we fly kites, ma. There is a kites festival. Sankranti is the kites festival for children. Now, in the box, some festivals are given, ma. Now, fill in the blanks. Sankranti is the festival of harvest. We get harvest for Sankranti. Panta chetiki vastundi kada. Harvest means yield, panta. We get the crop. Andike we celebrate Sankranti amma. Farmers celebrate it happily because they get the crop, they get the harvest amma. So Sankranti is the festival of harvest. Second amma, Muslims offer namaz on Eid. Third one, Christmas falls on 25th December. Fourth, on Deepavali we burn crackers. What do we burn on Deepavali? Yes, we burn crackers. Fifth one, we celebrate Sankranti in January. Follow me once. Sankranti is the festival of harvest. Muslims offer namaz on Eid. Christmas falls on 25th December. On Deepavali we burn crackers. We celebrate Sankranti in January. So that's about. Go for the next picture. Look here. You match the pictures with words here. See? Diwali, Vinayaka Chavithi, Eid ul Fitr, Christmas, Sankranti. You know it, no? Look here. These are months. How many months are there in a year, Harsha? Yes, there are 12 months. Name them once. Yes, follow me. January, February. U a అని పలుకుతాం కదా February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Follow me once. Repeat after me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. That's about. We'll go for the next picture. Look here. There is a teacher. There are students sitting in their chairs. There is a blackboard. Some words are written on the board. No? How to pronounce them we learn now. First two lines sound one way. Last two lines sound another way. First two lines there is a vowel sound. In the last two lines, two sounds are there. We call it diphthong. Two sounds are there. Firstly, we go to the first two lines. Ka, a and sound pettumma. A, ela palkale. Open your mouth slightly, not a anaddu. అది కూడా ఆ అని గట్టిగా అనకండమ్మా. ఓపెన్ యువర్ మౌత్ స్లైట్లీ, కొంచెం ఓపెన్ చేయండి. అలానే డ్రాప్ యువర్ జా, లోవర్ జా స్లైట్లీ. ఈ జాని కొంచెం కిందికి లాగండి. ఖా, ఫా, జా, ఖా, ఆ, ఫా, మా, డా. ఇలా పలకాలమ్మా. సో ఎలా పలకాలి? హౌ టు ప్రొనౌన్స్ దిస్ సౌండ్? ఎలా చేయాలమ్మా? ఆ, ఆ. ఎలా పలుకుతావు? ఆ, లాంగ్ ఆమ్. So we have to open our mouth slightly and అనకండి. కింది జాని కొంచెం డ్రాప్ ఇట్ డౌన్, కొంచెం కిందికి లాగండి. Now we do it. Car, for, jar, car, out, are silent amma. Park, are silent. Mark, dog. ఇక్కడ are silent. బ్రిటిష్ ఇంగ్లీష్ లో are silent. American English అయితే they pronounce it clearly more. Car, for, jar, cart, out, park, mark, dog. That way they pronounce. Last two lines ma. Two sounds are there. A, I. చూడండి A, I. ఎలా పలకలవి? Two sounds are there. A, E, A, E, A అని పలకాలమ్మా. చూద్దాం. టే, నే, సే, స్నే, రెయిన్, ట్రైన్, పెయిన్, మే. సో టూ సౌండ్స్. ఏ, ఐ. ఎలా పలుకుతాం? ఏ అని పలకాలి. tail, nail, say, snail, rain, train, pain, may. What do you pronounce? Once more. Tail, nail, say, snail, rain, train, pain, may. Follow me once. Car, paw, jaw, cord, odd, pork, mark, dog. Tail, nail, sail, snail, rain, train, pain, may. That way we pronounce. Yes. Have you learnt, Harsha? Vachaya, how to pronounce these words? Na ardhamainda? So first two lines lo single sound is the vowel sound is there ma ani. Last two lines lo a sound వస్తుంది. Two sounds are there. ఒకటేంటి e two vowel sounds ఉన్నాయమ్మా. a tail, nail, sail, snail, rain, train, pain, may అని పలకాలి. Yes, that's the thing. Harsha, have you learned? వచ్చేసిందా? Have you understood what's it? అర్థమైందా? Which festival you like? How do we celebrate Deepavali? How do we celebrate Sankranti? What are the days of the week? What are the months of the year? How many months are there in a year? ఇవన్నీ అర్థమయ్యా? ఇప్పుడు చెప్పమ్మా. How many days are there in a week? ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? Yes, Harsha, you said well. There are 7 days. How many months are there in a year? ఇయర్లో ఎన్ని months ఉన్నాయి? 12 months. 7 days in a week, ma. 7 days in a week, 12 months in a year. Okay. We celebrate Deepavali, we celebrate Sankranti grandly. బాగా జరుపుకుంటాం కదా. For Deepavali, what do? We burn crackers. Yes. For Sankranti, what do? ఏం చేస్తాం సంక్రాంతికి? We fly kites. కదా, గాలిపటాలు ఎగరేస్తాం. We fly kites. It's the kites festival. Good. Harsha, you said well. Nikhil, you did well. Good boys. Thank you for listening.